Hola, I am Aida Lugo McAllister, chef, cookbook author, cooking instructor, food history lover, professional speaker, and gardener who believes in culantro and sweet peppers, ajíes dulces. I've been a professional food blogger since 2014 and YouTube vlogger since 2017. Work out of my backyard garden and kitchen to create authentic Puerto Rican food in the middle of the Midwest. And my bilingual cookbook is in the kitchens across the country. I believe healthier versions of Puerto Rican cuisine are possible, like baked yuca fries and baked alcapurrias. That every dish should be served with a side of food history. And it's my passion to share my Puerto Rican culture and tradition in every recipe. If you want to make authentic cuisine, just like the food I grew up cooking in Puerto Rico, subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will teach you everything you want to know.